Here's a quick tip to get your Mac to speak any text you've selected out loud. This is useful if you want to check the flow of your own writing, or if you simply want to listen to content rather than read it. You can use this on web pages, emails, documents, and pretty much anywhere that you can select text. Start by going to the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Then click Accessibility and then Speech. Tick the box labelled Speak Selected Text when the key is pressed. The default combination is Option and Escape, but if you click Change Key, then you can use a different combination. In the System Voice drop-down menu, you can choose the voice that you want, and if you click Customise, then you can select other voices. The UK default is Daniel, but I'm on Team Serena. Below the voice selection, there's an option to change the speaking speed. You can experiment with that to find out what works best for you. OK, to use the text-to-speech feature, select any piece of text in a document, email or web page, and then press the key combination.
Highlight some text and press the keyboard combination, Option-Esc by default, to get your Mac to speak it out loud.
If you want to stop the speech, press the key combination again. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to spot errors, and it saves you the hassle of reading the content out loud yourself. If you fancy more Mac tips, look out for #MicroMacTips on Twitter and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.